This area is completely saturated with 99% moisture content. So the hygienist said that he thought there was poria under here. And I found what he's referring to. And he said they had it tested and it came back positive. I can see a bunch of dry rot up underneath in this subfloor, so that's going to need to come out. And I've got this white growth underneath this piece of structural 2x4. That's going to need to come out. And I'm going to want to get in here and figure out what all of this is so we can get it remediated. Okay, I'm over here on the south wall, and I can see where the water's been absorbing up into the structural framing that holds the raised foundation up from the bottom. And then I see this discoloration on the waterproofing paper, and then over here the waterproofing paper is actually compromised, and you can see it coming apart down here at the bottom. And if I go a little further, you can see the effervescence where the water's getting in to the masonry stem wall, past the waterproofing paper, going up and staining on the lumber. So we've got a lot of water issues coming in over here on the south wall as well. As a matter of fact, if you take a look, that's a big pile of termite turds. And I got another one over here. So we get a bunch of termites under here also. But realistically, this waterproofing paper is going to have to come out. The stucco is going to have to get removed. The framing is going to have to be cleaned. And then we're going to need to make sure it all gets put back together correctly so the water intrusion, the mold, the rot does not continue to happen. I've got water staining under here on the structural beam. And up higher, it appears to be coming through from the concrete with pavers over the top, right outside the back door. The structural lumber is really wet under here at 68%.